Good morning, students. Dear students, for class 12th today I am going to begin with the video of one of the last chapter of your syllabus, Evans tries an O-level. This chapter is quite interesting and you would realize that the chapter is not less than a very exciting, thrilling movie, because you would find all such changes into the story as it's going to develop. Suddenly the story would come into the dark mode. Suddenly it would come out with flying colors. So you will find a lot of ups and downs into the story, and it would seem to be very interesting and indifferent story. The story Evans tries a whole level. Let us first understand that who is Evans. Evans is the name of a boy who is in the prison. Evans has thrice already tried to escape himself from the prison. He has tried to run away from the prison, and that is why he is also called as, he is in fact famous into the prison. He is named as Evans the Break. One other reason that Evans is into the Oxford prison, a prison which is considered as a very disciplined. The officers of that prison are strict. Now he is into this prison and he is not getting an opportunity to escape himself, to run away again. Then he tries an O-level that is added into the chapter. So this O-level is an elementary examination, or you can say a basic examination, qualifying examination of the German. And he requests to appear into this examination to the governor of the Oxford prison. Governor of the Oxford prison means the in charge of the prison. He informs him and he requests him that he wants to appear in the examination. As per the norms in the law, if a prisoner expects to give some examinee request, depending on his behavior and and the kind of crime he has committed, it depends on to the authorities that they can allow him and they can even dismiss his appeal also. But because governor found a change into the behavior of Evans, and he found that he really wants to give a chance to himself, and he wants to come out of all these troubles of his life, he wants to lead a normal life, and that is why maybe he's requesting me that I should give him an opportunity to appear in this examination. So he was ready to take the risk. He was ready to believe on Evans, and that is why when the chapter opens, so we find a conversation between the governor and the secretary of the board examination, because finally the authority has to be taken from the secretary of the board examination. If they will allow, then only this boy Evans can appear into the exam. So we find that there is a conversation, telephonic conversation. The secretary is talking with the governor, and the governor requests him that he wants one of his prisoner Evans to appear in the examination, and he also tells the name of the exam, that he wants to appear in the Germany O-level examination. He continues describing his behavior. He says that though he is a criminal, but he has no violence record, and he is very peaceful and quite a silent person. And he said but, and he does not utter a single word after that. Maybe he wanted to say that but he has thrice tried to escape from the prison, but he remained quiet because he knew if the secretary of the board exam would come to know about it, they will not take the risk and they would deny for his appearing in exam. So because this was not told to them, that is why they permitted and granted the permission to Evans that yes, Evans can appear in the O-level examination. Now, after that, Evans has sent one more request to the governor, and he said because he wants to put his best into this exam, so he would expect some kind of help, a kind of a tuition teacher who could help him to teach and to get better result into this exam. Governor thought that Evans has become quite thoughtful, and is really willing to appear into this exam. I should help him out, and that is why he tried to find out a person. He searched and he found one, and he has appointed somebody to help the Evans to teach him the German for O-level examination. Now every day that tuition teacher comes to teach Evans. Now in the meantime, governor had received a call from the secretary of board exam. He got a good news that Evans need not to go to any particular center to appear in the examination. In fact, the board will going to appoint somebody to be the invigilator, and the invigilator would reach to the cell of the Evans, would come to the prison, and there only he will going to invigilate the examination of the Evans. Governor was quite relieved because now he would have less chances of the Evans escape, as Evans will not go out, he would remain inside the prison. With this, he has started his own preparations. It was not that he was not preparing. He was quite vigilant about each and everything. He really wanted to find out the things which were going around. So he kept a kind of a microphone, you see. He attached a parallel line from his office to the cell of the Evans, so that whatever is happening into the cell of Evans, whatever discussions, whatever things are going on, he could hear them all. वो वहीं बैठकर सबको सुन सके, उसने एक ऐसा पैरेलल टेलीफोनिक लाइन लगवाया. और he has appointed 2 officers specially to give the duty of the Evans examination only. One is Jackson. He is an old officer of his prison, and in fact Jackson knows Evans also very well, and he feels jealous about him. He doesn't like him because under his nose only earlier he has tried to escape. So that was for sure that Jackson would never like Evans. Other officer was Stephens, and he is a newly appointed prison officer. Now, governor does not want to take any risk. Governor does not want to leave any stone unturned, and that is why he is making his best efforts, trying his complete authority in thinking that yes, how could he get the best output? How the Evans does not get an opportunity to escape, how things can be smooth. So he was very much ready and now was expecting the date of examination. 8th of June was the date which was declared for the examination, and on 7th of June, that was a day before, his teacher came to meet him. And the teacher said that I know that though it will be very difficult for you to appear into it, to clear the examination and to get good marks into exam, but still I want to wish you all the best and try to attempt well. And Evans responded immediately and said that, sir, don't worry, you never know, I might surprise everybody with my results. And now was the next day of the examination. Governor has given orders to both of them, to the Jackson and to Stephens, to both the police officers, to take care of Evans well. He said that his cell should be neat and clean. He himself should look very neat and clean. He should look like a student. He should take bath. He should wear fresh and clean clothes. He should have trimmed nails, haircut, shaving, everything. So though they have provided those things which needed, like some razor, nail cutter, scissors, everything they have provided to him, but then Jackson takes it very seriously and calls Stephens that Stephens, do not forget to leave anything with him. Don't forget anything with him. Don't forget to take everything back, because he can utilize even a nail cutter for his escape. It can be used as a weapon for him. We cannot trust him, and so take care of each and everything. And then, they even went to the cell of Ivan's. They've checked Ivan's cell. They've cleaned it. They've asked people to clean it up, and everything was taken away from the cell. Cell was completely neat and clean. There were 2 chairs kept opposite to each other with a table in between, so that on one seat Evans can sit and the other the invigilator can sit to take his exam. And things were going very smooth and effective. Now, they also introduced the name of the person who was expected to come as the invigilator. That was McCleary, you can say father of St. Mark's Church, and he was expected to come as invigilator. He came. What happened later? How the exam was conducted? Will Evans be able to come? Will Evans be able to come out with flying colors into exam, or will he going to escape again? This all will remain a suspense, and I'll going to continue with all this tomorrow to you. Thank you, children.